In this video, I'm going to show you how to book a Japan Airlines flight using your miles. So if you have a accumulated miles with your frequent flyer program, this tutorial will help you use them to book your next flight. So before booking, you'll need to know which frequent flyer program you're using and the number of miles you have available. So Japan Airlines is a member of the One World Alliance. So if you have a miles with another or other airlines in this alliance, you may be able to use them for your Japan Airlines flights. So some of the common programs include JIL, Mileage, Bank, and then American Airlines A Advantage or British Airways Executive Club. Now, open your browser and then make sure you are on the official website of Japan Airlines. Then select the Mileage tab on the website, and this will direct you to the section for booking with miles. So if you don't have a Japan Airlines frequent flyer account yet, you will need to sign up first. So on the Mileage program page, assumingly we have an access to that, click log in to access your JAL Mileage bank account or other frequent flyer program. Now enter your membership number and password to log in. And if you have miles with partner airline, you make sure to link your account to Japan Airlines for easier booking. So assumingly we have an access to the JAL, so search for flights using miles. Once log in, go to the flight reservation section, and then you will see there the origin, destination, and date. So you will need to choose between them and then for your desired flight. So select the book with miles option to view available flights for booking with your frequent flyer miles, and then after that, browse through the available flights and choose the one that suits your schedule and travel preferences. And then you'll see the number of miles required for the booking, as well as any fees or taxes that may be applicable. So some flights may require fewer miles depending on availability, so keep an eye on award seat availability. And after selecting your flight, double check the flight details including dates, times, and any extra charges. So if your booking includes a stopover or multiple segments, review the information carefully before proceeding. And once everything looks good, click book now to complete your reservation. And you will receive a confirmation email with your e-ticket and booking details. And that's it. That's how you book a Japan Airlines flight using your miles. It's a great way to redeem your miles and enjoy a comfortable flight. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.